Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the WhatsApp restore not working. First, make sure you're using the same phone number and Google device or iCloud that was used to create the backup. Next, check your internet connection. Restoring chats require a stable and a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, ensure that your backup already exists in your iCloud storage. You can verify this in Google Drive or iCloud settings. Then restart your phone and try to restore the process again. Then head over to your app store, search for WhatsApp and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. If the restore still does not work, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. Next, go to the app store, search for WhatsApp and install the app again to get the latest version. That's how you fix the WhatsApp restore not working. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful guides.